Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the worst foods to avoid before bedtime. Eating these can mess with your sleep. You want a good night's rest, right? Then pay attention. These foods are a nightmare for sleep. Get ready to expose the culinary criminals sabotaging your sleep. Spicy foods are a one-way ticket to heartburn city, beware. Chocolate can keep you up like a hyperactive toddler. Fatty foods? More like a recipe for bad indigestion. Citrus fruits, don't be a citrus sinner. Citrus fruits, prepare for heartburn. Chapter 5. Tomato-based sauces fueling acid reflux fire. Chapter 6. Alcohol. False promise of sleep. Alcohol disrupts sleep. Coffee before bed? Are you insane? Ice cream is a sugar crash just waiting to happen. Cheese gives you nightmares, believe it. Chapter 10. Sugary cereals? More like a sugar explosion bomb. Chapter 11. Energy drinks before bed? Are you serious? Chapter 12. Dark chocolate? Even more caffeine, you silly muppet. Chapter 13. Garlic. Indigestion invitation, garlic breath, no thanks. Chapter 14. Onions. Bloating time bomb. Onions, prepare for bloating hell. Chapter 15. Peppermint. Sneaky acid reflux trigger. Peppermint, acid reflux in disguise. Chapter 16. Red meat. Sleeping like a bear, in hibernation. Red meat. Your stomach will be working extra hard. Chapter 17. Pizza. The unholy trinity of bad sleep. Eating pizza before bed, you're asking for a sleep disaster. Chapter 18. Soda. Sugar and caffeine overload. Soda. Sleepless night guaranteed. Chapter 19. Broccoli and cauliflower. Gassy and grumpy. Broccoli and cauliflower. Get ready for a gas attack, folks. Chapter 20. Beans. Musical beds? No thanks. Avoid beans before sleep. Chapter 21. Dried fruit. Bloating in disguise. Dried fruit, more like a recipe for a bloated and uncomfortable belly. Chapter 22. Potato chips. Salty sleep saboteur. Potato chips. So much salt you'll be up all night long. Chapter 23. Candy. Sugar rush equals sleep crash. Candy before bed? You're craving a sugar crash. Beware, it can ruin your sleep. Chapter 24. Protein bars. Hidden sugar alert. Some are just candy bars. Chapter 25. Fruit juice. Sugar bomb in disguise. Fruit juice. It's more like a sugar bomb in disguise. Chapter 26. Popcorn. Indigestion. Get ready for a night of indigestion. Chapter 27. Nuts. High fat equals slow digestion. Eating nuts before bed? Your stomach will definitely hate you. Chapter 28. Spicy snacks. Heartburn central. Playing with fire. Chapter 29. Granola bars. Sugar overload. Some are just candy bars. Chapter 30. Yogurt. Digestion disruption. Some find yogurt hard to digest. Chapter 31. Fried foods, deep fried sleep deprivation. Fried foods mean a sleepless night. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Remember, a good night's sleep starts with the right choices. Sweet